Want to bridge the gap between Tonkeeper and Phantom Wallet by sending USDT? Let's dive into a simple step-by-step guide. First, open your Tonkeeper app and make sure you have USDT on the Ton blockchain in your wallet. Tap the send button. Now, you'll need the receiving address from your Phantom wallet. Switch over to your Phantom app. In Phantom, select Solana as your main wallet, then tap on the receive icon to get your Solana address. This is where the USDT will be bridged. Copy your Solana address to your clipboard. Go back to Tonkeeper and paste the Solana address into the recipient field. Double check to make sure the address is correct. A small error could mean losing your funds. Enter the amount of USDT you wish to send. Take note of any transaction fees displayed. The fees will be shown before confirming. Review all the details carefully on the confirmation screen. If everything looks good, confirm the transaction. Wait for the transaction to process. This usually takes a few minutes, so be patient. You can check the transaction status on the Ton Blockchain Explorer if you want more details. Once the transaction is confirmed, your USDT will appear in your Phantom wallet. You have successfully transferred USDT from Tonkeeper to Phantom wallet. Remember to always double-check addresses and be aware of fees to ensure smooth transactions.